Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Face Yoga with Nika. My name is Nika and I am a certified Face Yoga teacher, Guasa and Fast Copy. Please allow me today to lead you into a very nice Face Yoga session, help for a natural lifting on the face. Just like any other beauty treatment, before we begin face yoga session, please make sure both of your hands and your face are clean. And then you will need also later on a good amount of face oil or face moisturizers of your choice. So if you are ready, let's start it. We will begin our face yoga session by warming up all the facial muscle by doing wow movement. So you can also say it loud when you are doing wow, or if you are not feeling comfortable, you can also quiet, but use the movement that your mouth saying wow. Let's do this for 10 times. Well done. Next, using the fist of our hands, place it just under the chin like this, and we are going to bring our tongue inside the mouth with a closed mouth, up and down 1 per second like this. But close our mouth. This fist is here to control the movement, so you will not have a drop jaw, and also it helps to strengthen the chin area. Let's do this for 20 seconds. Release. And next, we are working to lift up the facial muscles on the corner mouth area. What we are going to do is using the end of our tongue, place it in the corner of the mouth like this, and then we are going to lift up and release. Do this 3 times each side like this. And do another side. Excellent. Next, we are still working around the muscle in the corner area and also extend into the cheeks area. What we are going to do is we are going to do O mouth shape, and then we are going to smile with a closed mouth like this. But in here, we are going to ask the help of both of our index fingers to smoothing and tighten the cheeks area like this. And place your index fingers just actually the end of your cheeks area and control in here. We are going to do this exercise for 2 times of 6. And release. Let's do one more time. And release. Now we can rest a little bit, and then we pinch our cheeks area gentle and slowly, just to relax the facial muscles after those two workouts, and also to rest and to move for another exercise. Now, using this part of our hands, we are going to place this just exactly in the corner of our nose, and we are going to leave going down to the cheeks area, the bone, following the bone line, and bring up until the crown area. We are going to repeat this for up to 6 times. Place it in the corner of your nose and bring it down to the cheekbone area, follow the line and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. You see, sometimes I also close my mouth. It's just a reflex, but you can do by closing your lips both like this or without. So let's do another 6. Place your part of your hands in the corner of your nose and bring it down, following the cheek area and up. Pay attention to the lines. If you find the lines, try to do it soft. Three, 4, and 5. One more time. 6. Great job. After we are working with the cheeks area, and then now we are working with the muscle of the eyes. We are needing 3 fingers in here, thumbs, index and middle fingers, that we are going to replace it in the top of the eyebrows, also in the under eyes, and using the thumbs to help smoothing the corner eyes lines. So I'm starting with my right eyes. So I'm going to place my index fingers in the corner of my eyebrow, and I bring it up higher than the other one, and then I will place my middle fingers in the bottom of my eyes, gentle and slowly, because this is only to give a control of the movement. And then if you see here, just in the corner of your eyebrow, some lines, you can use your thumbs to drag it away. You see, now it's getting smoother. Okay, now you are in this position, perfect, and take a deep breathing in, and we are to gently close the eyes, half close, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and release. You will see my right corner is higher than the other one. So now let's do the left side. We are going to place our index fingers just in the peak of eyebrow, and then using the middle finger under the eyes, gentle and slowly, and I use my thumb's finger here, if you can see, to smoothing the line, and hold it half closed for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. release. Excellent, everyone. You will see instant result from this technique. Try. Now, using the knuckle of our index fingers, we can massage the middle area or the center area just between two eyebrows, just to activate the acupressure points here, to relax the facial muscle around the forehead area, and also it helps to smoothing the 11 lines, is the lines that normally appear just in between of your eyebrows. And then now we are going to place both of our index fingers just at the beginning of our eyebrows, and we are going to give a gentle pressure here. Control your breathing. Feel it, the pressure, and adjust it according to your comfort level. You can close your eyes if you want to. And then massage for one direction for about 20 seconds. And then back to move to another direction for another 20 seconds. And release. We are working with the forehead area. Using the knuckles of our fingers, we place it just on the top of the eyebrows, and we are going to lift up the skin, the muscle of the forehead up to the hairline. Hold it and release. Let's do 2 more times. Place the knuckles of your hands and lift up until the end of the hairlines. Hold it and release. And one last time, place it on the top of the eyebrows, lift up, hold it and release. Relax our facial muscle now from the forehead area by tapping around the eyes also, and then move to the cheek area, and then move to the chin and jawline. Also move to the neck area, and then to the chest. And now we are working with the side of our neck area. Placing our hands in the side of our shoulder, and then we turn our head the opposite of where the hand is, and lift and bring the thumb out, but looking up, almost like touching your nose, like this, and hold it for 20 seconds. And we are working on the other side. Now placing the other hands on the shoulder, at the end of the shoulder, push it back, and then bring your hand toward the opposite direction of your hand, and bring your tongue out and hold it for 20 seconds. And to close this session, please bring both of your hands, place it on the chest, take a deep breathing in, and slow gentle breathing out, and tell to yourself, I am perfect. And thank you so much for today, for your time, and I'll see you for another face yoga for. See you.